Sound familiar? If you're shopping for a Nebula projector right now in 2026, you are standing at a crossroads. One path leads to cinematic bliss, crisp 4K lasers, Dolby Atmos sound, and a picture so bright it fights off the daylight. The other path? Well, that's the path to buyer's remorse. Starting at number 1. Soundcore Nebula X1 Pro Triple Laser 4K Home. Experience an unparalleled level of immersion with our powerful, room-filling 400W wireless Dolby Atmos 7.1.4 audio system that expertly places you right at the heart of every cinematic scene. This advanced sound technology creates a truly immersive listening experience, allowing you to feel as though you are part of the action, making every movie night or gaming session extraordinarily engaging. Transform your viewing experience with our ultra-bright 4K triple laser technology. With an impressive output of 3,500 ANSI lumens, this system ensures exceptional clarity and brilliant colors, boasting a spectrum of 1.07 billion colors. The true 4K triple laser engine is meticulously certified by industry-leading organizations such as ISF, TV, and Dolby Vision, guaranteeing outstanding picture performance that brings every detail to life with stunning precision. Number 2. Nebula Capsule 3 Laser. Experience vibrant visuals with this advanced laser projector, which harnesses a state-of-the-art laser light source that delivers an impressive 300 ANSI lumens of brightness. This powerful brightness, combined with stunning 1080p HD resolution, ensures that your images remain bright, clear, and vivid, whether you're watching a movie, giving a presentation, or sharing photos with friends. Designed for utmost convenience, the Nebula Capsule 3 laser is remarkably portable. Weighing in at just 2 pounds, 900 G, and boasting a compact design that is 90% smaller than other projectors offering similar brightness, it's the ultimate travel companion. With the ability to project an image up to an expansive 120 inches, this projector allows you to transform any space into a personal theater or conference room. It's lightweight enough to easily slip into your bag, making it ideal for presentations at work, movie nights at home, or even outdoor gatherings. Number 3. Nebula Cosmos 4K SE Smart Projector. 4K Dolby Vision, huge 200 screen, indulge in an exceptional viewing experience with stunning 4K visuals that elevate your home cinema to new heights. With a brightness level that is 40 times higher than standard displays, you can enjoy brilliantly illuminated scenes even in well-lit environments. The contrast ratio is 50 times better, ensuring that dark scenes are rich with detail while maintaining clarity across all visuals. Thanks to Dolby Vision technology, colors appear true to life, providing an immersive experience that captivates the senses. The projector supports an impressive 200 maximum screen size, transporting you directly into the action like never before with a truly cinematic experience that turns your living room into a theater. Hybrid beam technology for high brightness. Introducing the groundbreaking hybrid beam technology, which ingeniously merges LED and laser light sources to achieve an astounding brightness level of 1,800 ANSI lumens. This innovative combination ensures that you experience vibrant and vivid images, projecting a spectrum of 1.07 billion rich colors. Number 4. Nebula X1 Triple Laser 4K Projector. Exceptional brightness and stunning 4K clarity, this advanced projector is equipped with a state-of-the-art patented triple laser optical engine, which provides an impressive output of 3,500 ANSI lumens. This high brightness level allows for vibrant and dynamic visuals, making it suitable for various lighting conditions. The projector supports 110% Rec. 2020 color, ensuring a rich and accurate color representation, which is essential for an immersive viewing experience. Additionally, it has received certifications from recognized organizations such as ISF, Imaging Science Foundation, and TÜV, Technischer Überwachungsverein, attesting to its high performance and quality standards. Moreover, the projector's compatibility with Dolby Vision enhances its capabilities, allowing for a more engaging cinematic experience with enhanced HDR support. See every shade of darkness with ultra-high contrast. The projector features a sophisticated 6-blade iris, which achieves a native contrast ratio of 5:0:0:0 to 1. This means that the differences between the darkest blacks and the brightest whites are exceptionally pronounced, providing a more detailed image. The projector is further enhanced by Nebula Master technology, which takes contrast to the next level by achieving an extraordinary contrast ratio of 56,000 to 1, thus allowing viewers to see every nuance in both bright and dark scenes. This level of contrast is particularly beneficial for film enthusiasts and professionals who demand the highest quality images in their visuals. Number 5. Nebula Cosmos Laser 4K Smart Projector. Setup is a snap. Starting your movie experience has never been easier or faster, thanks to the Advanced Intelligent Environment Adaptation (IEA) technology. This innovative feature intelligently analyzes your room's layout, effortlessly identifying and avoiding furniture or decorative elements that could obstruct the projected image. Once set up, you can enjoy a perfectly adjusted screen size that fits your space seamlessly, ensuring that your viewing experience remains completely immersive and uninterrupted, allowing you to focus solely on the action unfolding on your screen. Carry around the home. The design of the Cosmos Laser 4K projector is not only sleek but also ergonomically crafted for convenience. With a specially designed handle, you can easily move the projector from one room to another, whether you wish to enjoy a cozy movie night in your bedroom or set up a thrilling viewing experience in your backyard under the stars. This portability means you can bring the cinema experience to various locations in your home, adapting to your lifestyle and preferences effortlessly. And there you have it, the complete lineup of the best Nebula projectors you can actually buy right now in 2026. From the pocket-sized Capsule Air that fits in your jacket, all the way up to the jaw-dropping X1 Pro with its floating subwoofer and 7.1.4 spatial sound.